now time to meet the starters first with your team of White Dental Clinic. Starting with the team captain Denver Latosa, Marco Rodriguez, Padrones Indieves. And first the starters of your team Jupiter Fire Center. Starting with wearing jersey number 14 Soto, Daquet number 7. Madaos wearing jersey number 24. Algarin wearing jersey number 21 and Dupes number 5. Magandang gabi luksyon ng Puerto Princesa, live dito sa Wali Cooper Basketball Court. Ako pa rin makakasama niyo, Kuya Owen. Welcome sa ating first quarter. This is a do-or-die basketball action para sa ating semi-final outset jumper. Bang! 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 3 points! Denver Latosa, number 34, the team captain for the Blue Shirts. Denver Latosa, for basket para sa kanyang upunang nilalaruan. At syempre, papasalamat po tayo sa Barangay Council ng Barangay Molag sa pagpapag yung inaabati ng mga taga-Jupiter laban sa team ng White Dental. Babali pa, good for 2 points. Na-top corner, Nubel again for team ng Jupiter. This time, Latosa, another J, good for 2 points at may kasamang foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 48. We're still on the opening quarter and we'll play for the order. Mga kaibigan, score po natin 7-3 in favor by 4 points ang White Dental. Pero may bawi rin agad. 5 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Get the 2 points and a foul. SK Briggs to be the foul, his second personal foul and the 13th foul for the Red Shirts. Now sa power team ng Jupiter Red Shirts. In the other side, number 21, using his body, 2-pointers. Just remaining time. President Latosa, the giant dunker. Yes, sir! 2-pointers again. Jupiter. At gawin ang ball punta. Pupunta 14 na White Dental. Good for 2 points. And time na. Babawa sa 8 minutos na ating pong binabagbag for this quarter number 1. Another jumper for the Blue Shirts. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa ating first quarter. 18 against 5, 13 points. At ating babawas ng 2 points for Fire Center. Denver Latosa, use his monstrosity. 2-pointers again. Pinakalakas lang yung magandang pizza na ng Rodriguez. Esco Briggs straight from downtown. Bang! 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 3 points! 20 against 11. Very puntos ang kabati ng White Dental. Chopper for 3 points. Nako! It's good for 3 points! Kaya nagsisimula na mag-party mula sa 3-point territory magkabilang umunan. And Badaos makikisabay din. Badaos! Bang! 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 3 points! Bumababa. Yung umangat kaninang 13, ngayon bumababa ng 10 yung kalaban ng White Dental. Meron mo rin ibabalik. Good morning quarter. As again, this basketball game was brought to us by all the members of this Running Bullies Live Basketball Club. Outside jumper, 3 points again. Ibaw. Ilalabas sa bandang kanan, inside J. What a play! Number 7, 2-pointers. Inasa sa kanyang teammate. And Padrones setting back for Denver. A fixing to the top lane. What a good finger roll from Denver Latosa. Dito nag-9 puntos at 27 lang kayo. Kanilang talaan. Rodriguez dadagdag parang sakit ng ulo para sa team ng Jupiter. Laban sa team ng Pulahan. And jumper for 3 points. Tapos itong Casper. Number 14, SK Briggs Soto. 2-pointer. Another mintis mula kay Hagmis. But recover and driving in from the middle side. Good for 2 points by John Paulo Hagmis. Padrones, papaklas ng mga dalawang depensa. Good for 2 points again. Bambi, bomba na. Good for 2 points for team ng Jupiter. Cover na lang natin itong Padrones from the top of the parking area. Padrones recovered the ball for team ng Blue Shirts. Sir Kent, setting back for Padrones. Padrones again. 1, 2, 3 points. Di pa rin talaga. Nakakapuntos ng matigil tong team ng Pulahan. Basketball count. What a good drives. And ang isang dosya ng pamamayagpag nitong team ng White Dental Clinic laban sa team ng Jupiter sa pagpapatuloy. Padrones sa kanyang bonus shot gagawin. And basketball count. Hirap na hirap talaga yung mga nasa team ng Pula dahil Padrones tuloy-tuloy ang kanyang mga attacking ginagawa. 24 lamang na po ng 15. And nag-jumper for 3 points. Tapos yung tirada nun, buti na lamang nandoon itong Hagmis. And dyan pa Blue Shirts. It's in 30. This time, Gianpaolo Agmis, another 2-pointer for the red shirt. 42-28 ang ating score. Nasa 14 points, pero ibababa yan ng isang dosena. Good for 2 points. Matagal Jupiter. Stepping on the gas, sinag-jumper for 2. Off the window. Yes, sir! 2-pointer. 1 minute go. Isang minuto na tira ng oras. Agmis, the fixing to the play. Pinasarap pa yun. 2-pointers. Metal. At Agmis, yung isa sa mga batang gumagawa. At speaking gumagawa, 2 puntos naman nga po yung nagawa. And that bang kapag babalik. Bago matapos ang ating second quarter, bilabayin ng 8. Ngayon po mga kaibigan, 38 against 40 for the blue shirts. 2 free throws coming up for number 99 at Gianpaolo Agmis. First shot, good for 1. For baba na lamang ng 5 puntos. Ang kalaban ng White Dental, magiging 4 pa yan dahil 2 free Michael at the line. 2 free throws coming up. First free throw by Michael, good for 1. Basket for team ng White Dental. 46 now against 40. This matchup, Padrones na marami na pong ginawang puntos kanina Yves from the paint. 2 points by Yves! 8 puntos pa rin po ang sistema kabante ng White Dental. Isa na namang magandang atake from the middle side. Good for nasa tropa ng pulahan. And 14 ng tropang asul. Sasagasaan yung bat. Last in the pound of free throw by Padrones. Please take a look kung babasket yung pangalawang free throw. Isa sa mga shooter pero may isang unang free throw. Last in the pound free throw, basketball count. Kaya trabaho 14 ng White Dental. But lost the third. Agmis Foxin, 2-pointers. Back ng White Dental laban sa team ng Jupiter for the third quarter. Denver puts it up and puts it in again. 53. 4 minutes and 15. Basically to the team, Padrones. Kick out the team partner by teammate. Boom! 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 3 points! Yung pagyaring ng pagkabante ng White Dental laban sa team ng Jupiter for the third period ng ating bakbakan. Si Tangke, galawan ng mga malalaking mama. 2 points by Tangke! Ipilit for Latosa, grabe na traffic. Kuha nitong Caspe, going for Agmis, Panis. Good for 2 points by Agmis. Pinatay 10 para po sa tropa ng mga taga-Pulan. 3 minutes and 5. Gianpaolo Agmis, bang, 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 3 points. Center. 2 free throws coming up for red jersey number 21, Yves. First free throw by Yves. Medyo malaki-laki. 2 puntos. Outside jumper. Agmis for 3 points. 52 against 57. Down by 5 points. Your team by White Dental Clinic. Laban sa team ng Jupiter. And a jumper for 3. Timeout. Timeout for the red shirt. Timber po. 2 puntos ang White Dental Clinic. Laban pa rin sa team ng Jupiter Tire Center. Pinapagbigyan ng office space. And outside jumper for 3 points. Hindi ng pulahan. Bababa tayo sa 10 2 minuto ng ating third period. Denver Latosa, jumper for 2 points. Hindi man tatuwag ng Michael. Padrones alone. Padrones again. 2-pointers to go. Dakil for 3. Deep left. Dakil will move it again. Pinigay sa kanyang kamapay. Good for 2 points. By Doris. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time! James Prado. Walkout pa more. Back to the Logan. Last in the final quarter. Outside jumper. Michael. Boom! 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 3 points! Yobis, papunta sana kaya Batang Tangke. At Denver Latosa, all around J. 2 points by Denver Latosa. 41 San Estado, in the other side. 6 side. Moving jumper for 2. Agmis.
Rep.
A basketball count good for 2 points by Agmis and foul against red jersey number 9 for second. Utang ng isang dosena yung kalamangan ng White Dental Clinic laban sa team ng mga taga-Jupiter Tire Center at makukumpleto para sa final quarter. Badaos, mabilis ang pasa, going for Paulo Agmis, jumper for 2, galing na galawan, 2 points na naman sa isin sa team ng blue shirts. 7 minutes and 25, Denver, extra pass, jumper, lugod mula kay Michael, rebound again, wala nang makakadali, timeout, and shot, lugod, may Padrones. Ilakas makadjali ang Maria. Denver Latosa mula sa mga good for 2 points by Latosa, and a foul. In the final quarter, 75 against 62, shot clock down to 14, 6 minutes and 13, got down play, 2-pointers. Ito yung galang hindi umabot yung tiradang Paulo. This time number 7, the scoring man, 2 points Playing for this last in the final quarter, 6 minutes and 5 seconds to go. Nice again, 2-pointers. With 5 minutes and 53 seconds to go in the ating fourth quarter. Attack from the 3-point lane, good by the power put back from the paint. 2 points by SK Briggs Soto. 66 jersey number. Itong hindi na tumira, hindi bumasket by Michael. Bakar Beast. Boom! Bahar! Boom! 3 points! Sintong tanke. Extra pass. Julius jumper. 2-pointers. Timeout. Timeout. Buwan itong Denver Latosa, Pinasa, Padrones, the scoring machine. 2-pointers again. Bernardo pa rin sa team ng Jupiter Tire Center. Badaos once again driving in from the middle side. Doesn't work for the Red Shirts. Up power putback basketball count by Harbina. 14 seconds reset on the shot clock. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Ginamit ang pagiging mahaba. Denver Latosa. 2-pointers again. Good again for team ng White Dental. A minute and 47 seconds to go for the last in the final quarter. Yes, 2-pointers. Last in the final free throw by Habis, number 99. Good for one. Last quarter, 1 minute go. Padres, back shot, 2-pointers. 8 seconds to go. Jonas number 5. First free throw, good for one.